Welcome back,
Carla's
guys.
Kitchen
Welcome back to
CC,
another
best cooking
video.
around here.
So
Welcome
guys,
to
today
Carla's
in this
Kitchen
video,
CC
I'm going to be
YouTube
making
channel.
some stuffed plantain
Carla,
balls.
Carla the
And
big
here
bad chef.
are 4
Always
fried
like, comment
plantains
and
that I'm going
subscribe.
to be using.
Yeah man,
So
comment
I'm
to the
going to
thing.
go ahead
Carla's
now
Kitchen
and cut the
CC,
plantains
best
and
cooking
put
around
them to
here.
boil.
She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Here I'm adding salt to the pot, adding the plantain to the boiling water, and I'm gonna let these plantain cook for about 20 minutes or until they are soft. Let's prepare the filling for the stuffed plantain balls. So in this bowl I have 2 stalks of green onion, half green bell pepper, half red bell pepper, half yellow bell pepper, and I have 2 tablespoons of green seasoning, 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning, half red onion, 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and these are the seasoning I'm going to be using, and you can use season of your liking, okay? And I will be using ground turkey meat. You can use beef if you like, or chicken. Alright, so let's go over to the stove and start cooking the filling. Okay guys, I'm going to add just a little drizzle of oil to the pot because I'm going to brown the ground meat. I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the pot, and then I'll work on the bell peppers and the rest of the seasoning. Stay tuned guys and see the process. I'm going to add a little drizzle of oil to the pot. In all my peppers, I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped garlic, onion, red onion, I'll go ahead and add my green seasoning. I'm going to add back the turkey meat to the pot. Now I'll add my jerk seasoning. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, pinch of black pepper, neri and garlic seasoning. And remember, add season of your choice, guys. And if you reach this far in the video, please give the video a thumbs up. And if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Touch the notification bell. You will be alerted every time when I post a new video. Drop some comments and please share this video out. Thank you so much. Adding a pinch of onion powder. Pinch of salt for taste. Now I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of sweet chili Thai sauce. Smells so good inside here. The flavors are bursting up from out of this pot, guys. Try out the recipe, try it out. I'm gonna cover the pot and allow this to do its thing. Here I have 1.5 cup of cornmeal, and you can use the yellow cornmeal as well. And I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to smash the plantains. And add the cornmeal. Just going to go ahead and fold in the cornmeal with the plantain. Set this aside for 5 minutes. Here we go. So I'm going to take up a portion of plantain like this. Press it out in my hand like this. To add in the filling. Cheese. Close it up. I'm going to roll it into a ball like this. Let's get into it, guys. I have 3 eggs in this bowl over here, 1 cup of flour and 2 cups of breadcrumbs. So I'm going to coat the stuffed plantain balls in the flour, from the flour to the egg and from the egg to the breadcrumbs. So stay tuned, guys, and follow along. plantain balls. Okay, so I will be frying these until they are golden brown. Look at this, guys. Looking so scrumptious already. It smells so delicious. Try out the recipe, guys. So I'm going to remove these from the pot. Look at these stuffed plantain balls. So I'm gonna plate up and I will be right back. Remember to like the video, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Touch the notification bell so you will be alerted every time we post a new video. Thank you so much for your support. To all my viewers, my subscribers, thank you guys so much for supporting. See you guys, stay tuned. Here you have it, guys. Look at these stuffed plantain balls. They are looking so yummy. They are very tasty, flavorful, and delicious. Try out this recipe. Wait a minute, did you like the video as yet? Please go ahead and like the video, touch the notification bell for more uploads, and subscribe if you are new. Please subscribe to the channel. Share this video out. Leave me some comments in the comment section. Tell me what you would like to see Carla make next. Alright guys, these are looking so great. Beautiful in color, very tasty. Try it out. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Be kind to yourselves so you would know how to show kindness to others. Walk good, stay good, be good. Wow, look at that, guys. Tastes great. So nice. Thanks again, guys, for your support. And I'll see you in another video. Take care of yourselves. Bye, guys. Bye.
Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah, 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 yeah.